In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find duplicates in Go High Level. This is a quick and easy process that will help you maintain a clean and efficient database, ensuring your workflows run smoothly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your preferred internet browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any browser of your choice. In the address bar, type in Go High Level and hit Enter. This will bring up a list of search results. You'll want to select the one that says www.gohighlevel.com. Click on that link and you'll be taken to the Go High Level homepage. Now, once you're on the homepage, we need to log in. Enter your account credentials to access your dashboard. If you've forgotten your password, you can easily reset it by following the instructions provided on the login page. Once logged in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard, where you'll see all your current projects and data. To get started on finding duplicates, you'll want to navigate to the Settings menu. You can find this icon, usually located in the sidebar of your dashboard. Once you've clicked on Settings, you'll see several options. Here, you need to click on Objects. Within the Objects section, you'll find an option labeled Opportunities. Go ahead and click on Opportunities. This area is where you track potential projects or sales leads, and it's the key focus of our task today. Now, to prevent duplicates, there's a specific setting we need to adjust. Locate the setting that says Allow multiple opportunities per contact. By default, this may be turned on, which means that the system allows more than one opportunity linked to the same contact. To avoid duplicates, we need to switch this off. Simply click on the toggle to turn this feature off. By disabling this option, you're ensuring that your contacts are not associated with multiple opportunities, effectively eliminating any potential duplicates moving forward. This will help maintain cleaner records and streamline your opportunity tracking process. And there you have it, a straightforward, efficient way to prevent duplicate opportunities within Go High Level.